Asus Vivobook 14 Flip Ultra 7 Processor 256V. The Asus Vivobook Flip 14 boasts an elegant and refined design that immediately captures attention. AI-powered Asus Vivobook 14 Flip. Designed to streamline your workflow and transform the way you tackle tasks, it has a 360 degrees hinge for maximum flexibility and supports Asus Pen 2.01, adapting effortlessly to your needs. Equipped with up to the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, Series 2, with a NPU boasting up to 47 TOPS, it also features a stunning 14-inch FHD Asus Lumina OLED Nano Edge touchscreen. And with up to 28 hours battery life, it can power you through multiple working days. Ideal for students and professionals, this all-in-one device enhances your productivity like never before. The new Vivobook Flip 14 is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 256V processor, designed with a next-generation system-on-chip (SoC) architecture. The processor integrates performance cores and efficient cores, reducing power consumption while maintaining exceptional performance. With up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X 8533 MHz memory and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, the laptop ensures seamless multitasking and rapid data access. Intel Arc Graphics. Neural processor Intel AI Boost NPU up to 47 TOPS. The Asus Vivobook Flip 14 is equipped with a vibrant 14-inch OLED touchscreen display, delivering a resolution of 1920 by 1200 in a 16:10 aspect ratio. The display supports a refresh rate of 60 Hz and boasts up to 500 nits of brightness, ensuring crisp visuals with vivid colors. The ultra-fast Thunderbolt 4 Type-C port supports up to 40 gigabits per second data transfers and allows easy charging with a wide range of standard 520V USB-C chargers. There's a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port supporting up to a 4K 120Hz external display, along with an HDMI 2.1 port, an audio jack and more for the ultimate convenience. Backlit keyboard, and you have 3 brightness settings for the backlighting. Moving over to the trackpad, it is fairly large, smooth to the touch, and supports the standard multi-touch we have come to expect from modern Windows laptops. In addition to the standard multi-touch, the laptop also supports Asus Smart Gestures. These gestures include swiping up and down on the left and right edge of the trackpad vertically to increase/decrease the volume and brightness, respectively. You can also swipe horizontally on the top edge to fast-forward rewind viewed content. The Vivobook Flip 14 is equipped with an FHD IR camera, offering crisp video quality for virtual meetings and online classes. Audio Smart Amp technology built-in speaker built-in array microphone. Network and communication Wi-Fi 7, 802.11b plus Bluetooth 5.4 wireless card. Unity Systems Solutions.